PCO. So I really didn't wanted to do that, but Durian Rider is propagating stupid vasectomy day in and day out. I really respect you, Harley. You're one of the reasons that I became vegan and so on, but this is bullshit, mate. You don't know shit about that. Maybe you know how to ride a bike and you know some nutrition and so on, but you have no fucking idea about the kids. First of all, you're saying that you're asking people who are intelligent people, vegan people, people who reached the conclusion that eating plant-based diet is better for the environment, better for the health. It means these people are intelligent. So you're urging intelligent people to not make kids, while other people who are stupid as fuck are fucking making more and more kids. So what you're doing, basically, you're suppressing the variety of intelligent people, and you're letting only the dumb fucks to make people, other people. Secondly, this is your purpose on this planet. It's not to ride your bike, it's not to go on hills, and it's not to fuck your girlfriend or just speak on YouTube. Your purpose is to spread your genes. This is what you're made of. This is your purpose in life, is to make kids. That's it. This is why you're here. Once you make these kids and you have them till a certain age, then you can die. It doesn't matter anymore. You don't matter. You spread the genes. So you need to read some books first. I would recommend Richard Dawkins, The Selfish Gene, and maybe again Richard Dawkins, the biggest show on earth, I think it was called. Because you're reading books, I saw that. So just read this and then place your opinion. Secondly, what I wanted to say, if you're an irresponsible bastard and you cannot take care about kids, then you don't need to propagate it to other people. There are people who would become great parents, and we need more smart people on this planet. We don't need people who can create smart people to not have children. Yeah, it's cool if you are saying, get a vasectomy and adopt a child, but you're not doing this. You're not speaking about adoption. You're just speaking about this permanent vacation lifestyle, which is fine, which is cool. I don't mind that, but in general, this is not your purpose. Yeah, you're not here for that. You're not here to wave your dick around and fuck any other girl. Yeah, this is what I mean, exactly her, and do whatever you want. So I like you very much, man. I respect you, but this is bullshit what you're saying, and you need to stop propagating this because it's stupid. You don't know shit about having kids. You're just speaking about savings and bullshit, but it's not so expensive to have kids. Are you out of your mind? Do you know that when they're, especially when they're young, when they're small and young, you're spending hardly $100 a month. $100, mate. This is nothing. You were speaking something about how expensive it is to raise kids food-wise, and you were speaking that buying organic fruit and blah blah blah. Nobody buys organic fruit, you asshole. Who buys them? Who gives thousands of dollars? Nobody is a YouTube celebrity buying fruits for thousands of dollars. We buy regular fruit from the stands. Yeah. So and no kid is eating fruit all day long. No kid will be raw till 4 or something. They will eat regular food, so you need to cook some food for them, even if cooking food is not so good. This is how it works, man. So you don't know shit about that, and you shouldn't talk too much about it, because this shows how uneducated you are on this topic. As I said, I hated to do that video. I didn't want to do that because I know that you're an asshole, and you will, if you decide to reply, you will take it out of context and do your game. I know your game. I like it in general. I like what you speak, and I follow you with interest. I watch every video that you post. I'm a big fan here, but this is one of the things that you're not 100% right, and you need to reconsider. But I know you won't do it because you think that you're all-knowing, all-wise, and you know everything with your wise age of 40 years old. Like you learn everything. Now you can retire. So shut the fuck up. You don't know anything about this. If you had a vasectomy, it doesn't mean that everybody should have a vasectomy. For the people who are following you and who want to make a vasectomy, then just adopt some kid. For one thing, I agree that if you already have kids, like I have, it's good to get a vasectomy or just pull out. You know, this is the ultimate. Just pull out. That's the easiest way to do it. So again, shut the fuck up. Don't speak more about this vasectomy bullshit because you don't know shit. Educate yourself. And yeah, peace.